Hey, it's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa Real Estate Agent, and today we are in the Ottawa community of Manotick. It's located on the south end of the city along the Rideau River. And would you believe me if I told you we were going to have a home tour of this beautiful bungalow right here in the background? This is one of the new MINTO homes, model homes, bungalows in the new community on the outskirts of Manotick called Mahogany, the Mahogany community. And we're going to take a walk through that, and we're going to show you all the features and designs that are inside of it. Now, before we begin, for those of you who are returning to my channel, welcome back. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dwayne Desveaux, as I mentioned, and I'm out here providing you with all the content, information, and tools necessary so that you can make the most informed real estate decision going forward when you purchase a house. And with that being said, I'm just going to walk up here. There we go. So my intent is to put out as much content as possible. Here's the Butternut right here. I don't know if it's going to, oh, it's backwards, Butternut. Anyways, so this is what we're going to be taking a look at, this beautiful model home. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, because I'm going to be putting out as much content as I possibly can to give you the opportunity to look through these houses, provide you as much information as I can get for you, and enable you in your real estate journey. So let's go take a look at this beautiful MINTO model home in the community of Mahogany in the village of Manotick. Let's go. Okay, welcome to this view of the model home by MINTO. This is a 45-foot Butternut 2 model bungalow here in the village of Manotick in the new build community of Mahogany, located in the south end of Ottawa. Now, this particular model has a finished basement with a large rec room, an additional bedroom, as well as a 3-piece bathroom. Unfortunately, the finished basement isn't included in these floor plans, but it is certainly an upgrade that is available across all of their floor plans. This model also comes with a 52-foot lot with the same spacious open concept floor plan. These model homes are going to give you anywhere between 1,505 and 1,630 square feet, which includes 2 bed, 2 bath with the premium finishes. Additional incentives include $15,000 design center bonus, central AC, hardwood flooring on the main floor, oak staircase and solid surface countertop in the kitchen, and smooth ceilings, as you can see as we walk through. Additionally, I absolutely love the porch on these bungalows, perfect for grabbing a rocker, relaxing outside, and enjoying the weather. So I think you're going to love this one, so enjoy. All right, so there you have it. An absolute beautiful Minto model home walkthrough here in Mahogany in the community of Manotick, which is an absolute beautiful suburb in the south end of Ottawa. This community is right along the Rideau River, as I mentioned. And it features like walking distance to a future 6-acre park, a preserved woodlot if you want to go for strolls. There's an upcoming school that they're building. Additionally, one of my favorite parts is that they built a pond right in the middle of it all, and they named it Mahogany Pond. And the best part is you're just steps away from Manotick Village, which features scenic views, quaint restaurants and dining options, and just family-friendly streetscapes. As always, I'm going to put my contact information right here. If you have any questions about this builder or this community or another builder or another community, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here. I'm always available to answer your questions and provide guidance in my knowledge of this process, which can be invaluable to you. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.